Kamusta? How was the experience in Uwishi? Kanina
Okay
sa jeep,
naman.
di ba?
Oh, yes. Sa
Yung sa jeep, how was the experience?
yung sa jeep.
Oo.
Yes. We did that few months ago. And then, we went around Lunetas, U-Belt. Tapos, nagtatago kami, and then we surprised na mga students na sumakay. So, sobrang saya niya. Hindi namin inakala. Kasi yung first few students, medyo parang stress sila kasi nag-exam. So, parang hindi nila napapansin na nandun kami. So, pasimple lang kami po ganyan.
Saan area yun? Saan area?
Luneta, University
Okay.
Belt.
Okay.
And then, nakikita namin yung reaction sila na, yung iba kasi, iba yung reaction kasi we had a camera following sa labas. If you see the video, paglabas ng students, kilig na kilig sila, sigaw ng sigaw. Pero sa loob, parang natatakot sila, nahihiya. So it was fun to see that kasi hindi namin nakikita yun eh.
Ikaw mismo, nakakita ng kinilig nung kinis ka nun sa pisk ng isang
Masaya kasi
estudyante.
sobrang saya ng ginawa nila na Jeep O. And then, very unique siya. Feeling namin nga parang Ocean's 11 kami tatlo.
Ikaw personally ba? Sumasakay ka sa jeep? First time yan?
Hindi, I go to the Jeep. I used to ride the Jeep sa college, Cebu.
Kamusta after PBB?
Okay naman.
Mga projects to come?
So far, I'm doing mga hosting. Ang dami kong mga hosting provincial. Pero, we're concentrating nga talaga on hosting. So, we're waiting for a new hosting project from ABS.
Tapos nabasa ko, if you don't mind, nabasa ko sa isang article that you are dating with Rachel Ann. Kamusta na?
Dating, we're taking it slow kasi alam ko naman na she's going to London. So, hindi pa namin kung ano talaga, kung saan kami pupunta, hindi namin masabi. Oh yeah, we're dating.
Kamusta kayo? I mean, how was the friendship? Or kumbaga talagang may patutunguhan ba soon yun?
Hopefully, meron naman talaga. Pumapasok tayo sa ganyan para to look forward to the future. Pero ngayon nga lang, hindi namin masabi kung saan talaga kami in the future kasi she's leaving for a year. London.
Nalungkot ka ba?
Exciting. I'm excited for her. I'm excited for her.
Tapos saan kayo nagkakilala na Rachel?
Sa birthday ni Eric Santos.
Okay, and then
Same party kami.
may nag-introduce sa'yo sa kanya? Or
Same group of friends lang naman. So, bonding, and then start talking.
what's something special about Rachel?
Simple kasi siya eh. Wala siyang maraming arte. She's very easy to be around.